teachers! Welcome back to my channel. This is Teacher Seti again. Thank you so much for the overwhelming comments that you have. You always do. Thank you. I really appreciate it very much. Whether it's a negative feedback or not, it's okay. It doesn't matter. At least you're watching my videos. Thank you. For today, guys, I would like to share. Most teachers actually would always ask the hiring process with Amazing Talker. So for Amazing Talker, guys, first is you need to click on the link or referral link to apply with Amazing Talker. Later, I will supply, or you can check on the description where you can click and apply with. Okay, and then next is after clicking on the link, you will need to number 2, you have a read through the information page and make sure that you are ready to begin teaching with Amazing Talker. So feeling ready to start, click on apply. Okay, and then next is you will then begin to build your profile. This profile will go on to be visible to prospective students. So you will want to spend some time here making sure your profile puts your best foot forward. So there are 6 components of this: the information, introduction, resume, price setting, introductory video, general availability. We will review them in each of this in order. Oh, I forgot, guys. Again, disclaimer again, I'm not promoting any other company. I am just helping teachers to get a more higher paying salary. All right? And then the next is information. So for the category information, you will just need to set your basic information about yourself. Some of this might already be completed, your initial profile. You can also set an image of yourself. Okay, that will be the image. So the image should be a professional picture that you have as a teacher, okay? Not that selfie picture that you always do, okay, guys? Your name, nationality, and then introduction. So next you will need to do or to provide an introduction for your students to get to know you. So there are 2 descriptions. Description, your brief introduction, which is a maximum of 250 characters, and your full introduction, which is a minimum of 250 characters. So the introduction, guys, should be brief, will be displayed in the Fine Tutor result list. Please describe your teaching qualification briefly. Example is like IELTS, maybe IELTS. If you're an IELTS expert, then you may do so. Like example, Teacher Seti, IELTS expert. Okay, example. That's just an example. And then the next is for resume, guys. Resume, you can create your digital resume for your students to review. So there are 3 categories for you to complete: education, experience, and certificates. Okay, and then next is price setting. So for the price setting, guys, here you will set 2 prices: your total price and your private lesson price. So please note, student will get 5% discount for 5 lessons, and then 10% discount for 10 lessons that they have. 15% discount for 20 lessons, and then this is set automatically. So you all need to set it is the price for 1 lesson. Okay, guys, and then for the introductory video, you need to upload a video to introduce yourself to prospective students. So you'll need to upload the video to YouTube first, and then submit the link in the Amazing Talker. So you'll be able to preview your video before submitting. Just some ground rules about video. So video term, so at least maximum 3 minutes. Please look at the camera. Make sure to have enough lighting. Okay, and then video content. So for the video content, guys, where you come from, educational background and teaching experience, introduction to teaching methods, and then hobbies and interests. So if you need help filming or tips on how to get started, you can check out this guide. Later I will post or the link for the guide, okay guys? And then next is for general availability. This is for your schedule. So set your availability when your students can book your for your tutoring session. So for more details, you can click again. But this is the general availability. This is their scheduling guide, okay guys? And then what else? So before submitting, you can preview your new profile page. Bear in mind that this page will be seen by prospective students, so you want to be to put your best foot forward, okay? Then lastly, guys, click the submit button to send your profile to the Amazing Talker team. Our team will review your application, or their team will review your application and let you know if your application is denied, needs information, or accepted. So you'll receive an update on your status by email and on the notification section of the website. So the stage 2 of their hiring process, guys, is to do an interview with one of their VIP teachers. VIP teachers are teachers with significant experience and are top earners on the platform. So a VIP teacher will reach out to schedule an interview and mock lesson. You must receive 5-star rating on the lesson to be approved to teach. So once you have you'll be able to get students and start earning with Amazing Talker. And then the last stage is, final stage of the process is to make your profile visible to students and setting up how you want to get paid. Okay, this is like activating your account. So first, to make your profile visible to students, you need to switch on recruit students toggle from the teachers functions sections from the home page, like this one. Okay, and then the final thing to do is to set your payment, guys, payment account up, so you can get paid by Amazing Talker. And have a look at this article. Yeah, later I'll post all of the links, guys. So I think that's about it, and you're ready to go. So as far as I know, Amazing Talker has like 3 payment methods. They have like Pioneer, TransferWise, and PayPal. But PayPal has the highest fee, so maybe you can try TransferWise or Pioneer. Okay, and that's it. It's basically simple. They have the steps for their hiring process is very, very easy, guys. So you may want to try with them. I also had like brief review. It's not a review, but brief, like their benefits, their pay. You can check with my other video, guys. Okay, so later I will for recommended videos, I will post it on my at the end of this video. Okay, guys, so thank you so much, guys, for watching again my YouTube channel, my video. I hope you appreciate, or I hope that you really like this video, and do a comment below if you have some feedback. Have a nice day, guys. Goodbye.